Hi friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a little behind the scenes of how to create a wedding album. So if you've never created like printed books for your clients, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start doing that. I'm Caitlin Workman, a wedding photographer and educator, and this YouTube channel is a place for me to share free education with photographers and help you on your journey. Before we get started, I have a free gift for you in the description, my free posing guide. I'm so excited about this. Let me just pop up really quick what someone said about it while I'm telling you guys about it. So this posing guide includes a sample posing flow. It includes some fun poses. It includes a little clip of us shooting behind the scenes and posing a couple. And it includes tips for creating confidence with your couples. And I'm just really excited to share it with you. So make sure that you grab that. The link is in the description. Okay, so I use Kiss Books. So you're gonna start by going to kiss.us and then you're just gonna log in. So you can make an account. And I just kind of thought I would kill two birds with one stone today. And this was on my list to work on this album. So I thought, why not just work on it with you guys? So I love Kiss. I use the Kiss platform, the Kiss website for everything. So I design them in there and then I will send a link. It's super simple. So you can design in other platforms, but I really like being able to design it in Kiss. That's one reason why I really love Kiss. I also have a link for Kiss in the description, but you can see I've already started this. So you would just go to add images at the top, and I already added ones that I thought that I would use. So I do a pretty big sneak peek gallery for my clients with my favorites, and I just uploaded all the sneak peek gallery. But you just click add images, select images. You can select directly from Lightroom, but I usually just click select images. And I would go to Bethany and Bob's Sneaks and click on whichever ones you want and upload them. Now, obviously I didn't upload them all because I already have a lot of them in there. But then on the front, you can choose to leave it blank. You can add an image on the front if your clients want that. Some of ours do, some don't. But if you wanted to, you could just add an image like this one. I wouldn't add a ring to the front cover of it, but just so you guys can see how you do that. And then you can add in, you can customize, you can pick the different covers that you want. So I love the white leather cover, that's my favorite, but you can choose all of that here. And you can customize it with their name. So you just would put their name and the date below. I like to do that in like a pretty cursive font. You can usually do black, but they can choose what they want. But typically I choose it and I send it over to them like that. So then start designing. I've already started designing this one. So pretty. Okay, but I'll show you exactly how I did that. So when you first get started, you can choose the color that you want the front. And then you would just click this little plus sign and you would add a page. And then you can just draw the photos in here, or you can go to frames, and I do that. I've done enough that I kind of have an idea of like what I like on each page just to tell the whole wedding story. But I would start with 3 frames, and you can start with whatever you want. And then you can go down here and basically just pick the option. I think the reason I love this so much is because I loved scrapbooking as a kid, and it kind of feels like that, but it's like digitally. Anyways, so I love this, and then I would just pick what I wanted. So like this was the first page, so I put their invitation in the middle, and then I put these 2 beside it, but I'll show you guys how I did that. This is, oops, sorry, I slid to the other page. I slid a little bit too far. Okay, let's find that invitation. Okay, so we would put the invitation in the middle if they have one. I typically do like the invitation, and then I typically do the invitation, and then I do like a ring beside it and another detail beside it. You would just pick what you wanted, and just drag and drop it. It's so easy. And that little one is showing me I already used that photo. Now it's showing me I used it 2 times. If you want to sort them and just show the ones that you haven't used yet, you can do that here too. And I put that here. And you can drag it. You can even zoom it in a little bit if you want. And then if you decided I don't really like that page, so like I already made this page, you can click these spreads and you can go to the page and you could just click the little delete right there. Or if you wanted to move it around, you can just click the little hand and drag it and trade spots like that. But there you go, it's pretty easy. And then when you send it to a client, so this will save automatically, I can exit off. And I'll show you what it looks like when you send it to the client. And the client can make comments directly on there, which is so nice. So I'll just send it to them and they'll comment back, like if they want to delete a page or if they want to swap things around, they can include that in the comments. Let's look for one that is looking, okay, so this says status photographer. That means that they sent something to me. It's like my turn to do something. So this was a client that had another request, another edit on it. So we'll just click on that. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so this is one that's already been sent to them. I can click on this on the side, notes, and it says leave a note on this spread. So they didn't leave a note on that one, no note on that one. Let's find it just so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay, so this just says please change to the first dance pictures. So then I'll just add some first dance pictures in right there. And please change to champagne pop pictures. So I can just send those and then I'll send them back over to them and then they can approve it. It's so easy. And then let me just show you guys what it looks like as a slideshow. So this is what it looks like for the client to get it. They can just click play, and you can even personalize it. It says name date, but you can even personalize it to put like their first dance song on it, which is really cool, or just a sentimental song. But this is what it looks like for the client, and they can just click through it. And yeah, you can even leave it like where they can put comments right here. It's so easy. And there you go. So that's how we design albums and send them to our clients. We order them through Kiss. We use Kiss for everything. I put a link in the description for you. If you use that, I think you get $50 off. Let me know if you guys have more questions about album design. I'm happy to answer them. But make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.